Jake, did you finish the pretzels? Morning, mate.
Morning, man.
Gee, you're up early.
Oh, you know, just thought I'd give Rosanna a bit of a clean before we head off today.
Mate, are you alright?
Oh, man. Now that you mention it, the Black Forest did a number on my knees. I don't know how they're going to hold up today.
Lucky you got the world's best backup pilot. I'm guessing you want me to drive again?
Mate, if that's alright.
You know I got you. But you know that also means you, my friend, are on co-pilot duties.
Well, in that case, how about you jump in the front, limber up, slap on your favourite tune, and in the meantime, I'll show you guys how we get Rosanna ready for the road.
Time to hit the road, baby. Okay.
Alrighty, so before we can jet off, we need to run through a couple of things. You gotta make sure you're locking all your cabinets, your doors and your drawers. You gotta put away the stepladder. Oh, come on. Make sure you unplug your power and your water. Make sure you make your bed, because everyone loves a tidy bedroom. And last but not least, make sure you put your fridge to 12V and also lock her up so you don't have any groceries join you up the front.
We're good to go, Jimbo?
Mate, you bloody bet we are.
Oh, you know me too well.
I know I do.
Alrighty. Mate, I tell you what, might have to have a night off the booze this evening. I'm still feeling very dusty after Rosanna's pub.
Mate, you and me both. You got me good. Well, welcome to Belgium. We've just arrived from Germany. We got a bottle of red we just picked up at Zell Moselle, our last stop. And it is quite cold here. Steam coming from the mouths on the way in, and we thought what better time to crack the bottle of red we picked up earlier than here. Full-bodied. Oh, that's what Mama likes. She's a 2011. Ooh, good year for reds, I'll tell you that much.
It may not look like it, but we are en route to sample some Belgian brews. It's our first full day in the country. We're in the northeast, near a city called Genk.
Welcome back. We are currently in Zonhoven in Belgium, and last night we were at a pretty nice little bar called The Pub, and the owner mentioned a place named Prick and Tick, which is only 2 k's from there, so we've dawdled there today. They're a beer specialist, so
The boys are in heaven.
the boys are in heaven. So they've apparently got 800 different types of beer, so we are going to set ourselves a goal and to show you guys what you guys can get with 20 euros at a craft beer store in Europe. It should be interesting and very tasty.
We do have a Belgian triple here, 8.1%, 85 cents. So we'll lock that in for number one.
Belgian beer. Look at these, man. A dark IPA. We got an IPA. Got a pink Imperial. And well, I'm not going to get any out because I've already put 3 in the trolley.
I might get you to put him in the trolley. Is that a wrap?
It's a wrap, mate. 14 beers later.
Alright, let's see what kind of a tally. We might have pushed the 20.
Might be 20 each. We've actually got a barcode scanner. I don't see people come here and they don't have the prices on the beers. So before you know it, you spend an arm and a leg on beers. €2.40, that's not bad at all. Oh. That's a crime. This one's gonna be pricey. Or not.
Kicking things off with the postal, which was actually recommended to me last night by the bartender at the pub we went to. This boy is 9%, and we're about to find out what kind of a dent he's doing to the pocket. After Jakey's scanning, I'm pretty optimistic. Oh, it's so pricey that it doesn't scan. DOS. 250. Oh, 180. 160. 195.
Mate, not bad at all.
That is ridiculous.
Alrighty, and we're done. 4 days later, came to the grand total of €30.55. So €10 over budget. But we got 14 beers, all crafties. Although we went €10 over budget, I think we did a fantastic job.
Friday, the 1st of November.
It is.
It is. My stomach is rumbling.
Hey, we better get on that porridge.
Yeah. We left in Rosanna from Hoogeveen, Netherlands, Saturday the 7th of September. It has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks tomorrow.
Wow.
7 weeks and 6 days. Today's the day, folks. It's Rosanna's last ride.
We're in Belgium.
We've just had our last shower in her.
Hence why I'm doing this, is because I'm still freezing.
It was comfortably the coldest yet.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yowza!
We've only been in Belgium for a few days, but it's been
good fun.
Yeah,
But it's very cold.
It has been the coldest temperatures yet. What have we been waking up to, Jimbo?
Between -1 and 1. It's been bloody cold.
Yesterday I had my boots on. I had 2 pairs of socks. I had jeans. I had a thermal top, a t-shirt, a jacket, gloves, and a beanie.
Yeah, it's cold.
Anyway, the point of us setting up inside Rosanna this morning is, yes, we are farewelling her, but we thought what better way to do so than...
one final porridge.
And we're going to make it together. We haven't got the largest array of ingredients for a porridge.
Or the largest room.
Should we start getting them out?
Yeah.
We'll get you that ready, because that's Jimbo's favourite honey.
I love honey, look at that. She's golden.
Wouldn't be surprised if you take that back home with you.
I will.
It's pretty funny how to speak to the camera. I gotta go around you.
Oh yeah, and I'll stand back.
This is why I cook dinners and Jimbo cooks breakfast, because there isn't room for one more.
No.
So
this is going to be very
if
interesting.
a punch up begins,
you'll know why. I'm going to hit you in the head.
Hey, maybe we'll get more views. A quick summary of Belgium, basically. We camped at a brewery. We went to a pub. Then we paid at a campsite with a pub in it. And then yesterday we went to a bottle shop, and we pretty much turned Rosanna into a pub again.
Yeah.
So yeah, no cinnamon, no bananas. Usually they'd be going in as well, but
Just apple this
At
morning.
least, you know, we've got a bit of sweetness from the sultanas, there's a bit of dried apple in there.
Yeah, and then more apple.
If you're lucky, you actually come across a banana chip.
Yeah, which
Bit
is
of crunch.
Whew.
There we go, straight in the beaker.
Slowly, you know.
Show me the money, honey. Co-pilot, what do we listen to for this final leg?
The final drive only deserves the best, and that is our personally curated playlist on Spotify, Motorhomies. Let's go, baby.
Quite surreal, hey?
It's very surreal.
And very similarly framed.
Almost identical, mate. You might notice that this is where it all began, 8 weeks ago.
Cheers, Jimbo.
Cheers, mate.